Which day is celebrated as the Bihar Divas? Answer B. 22nd March. In which year Bihar was carved out from the state of Bengal presidency? Answer A. 1912. How many republics are included under Mahajanapadas? Answer D. 16. King Ajatashatru belongs to which dynasty? Answer D. Haryanka dynasty. Mahavir, the 24th and last Tirthankara of Jainism, was born in. Answer B. Vishali. Total number of districts in Bihar? Answer B. 38. Which one is recognized as a state flower? Answer C. Marigold. Total number of parliamentary constituency in Bihar? Answer D. 40. In which year the Nalanda University was re-established? Answer D. 2014. Which one is the largest district in Bihar by area wise? Answer A. West Champaran. Beside Hindi and Urdu, which one is the other official language of Bihar? Answer B. Maithili. The Barabar caves are located in which district? Answer D. Gaya district. The city Vishali was the capital of? Answer C. Lichvi. When the Patna University was established? Answer B. 1917. In which year Gaya Prakash Narayan has been awarded with the Bharat Ratna Award? Answer D. 1999. The famous Bihar movement was started in the year? Answer C. 1974. The Chhat Puja is celebrated in the month of? Answer A. March and November. In which year farmers in Champaran had revolted against the British for the condition of indigo cultivation? Answer A. 1914. Which one is recognized as state animal of Bihar? Answer D. Ox. The Mahabodhi temple is located in? Answer B. Bodh Gaya. Which one was the first Hindi newspaper published from Bihar? Answer C. Bihar Bandhu. Which king is known as the founder of the Patna Patliputra city? Answer D. Ajatasattu. The Battle of Buxar was fought in the year? Answer A. 1764. In which year Bihar is separated from Bengal province? Answer B. 1912. Which one is the first thermal power plants in Bihar? Answer C. Baroni Thermal Power Station. Who was the president of Gaya season of the Indian National Congress held in 1922? Answer A. Chittaranjan Das. The Almai Nagar of Bihar is famous for? Answer B. Cement. Who formed All India Kisan Sabha in 1936? Answer D. Sahajanand Saraswati. Kunwar Singh died in the year? Answer C. 1858. Which city is also known as the medical city of Bihar? Answer D. Darbhanga. Who was the leader of revolutionaries in Bihar during the revolt of 1857? Answer B. Babu Kunwar Singh. What is the total length of national highways in Bihar? Answer C. 4,595 kilometers. Total number of highways within Bihar is answer B. 29. Which of the following is a silk textile producing center in Bihar? Answer C. Bhagalpur. Who was the first Muslim conqueror of Bihar? Answer C. Bakhtiyar Khalji. The Mahatma Gandhi Setu was inaugurated in answer A. 1982. The Mahatma Gandhi Setu connects the Patna city with which city? Answer A. Hajipur. In which year Jayaprakash Narayan conferred with the Ramon Magsaysay Award? Answer B. 1965. In which year the Hindi newspaper Bihar Bandhu was published from Bihar? Answer A. 1872. Who was the first governor of Bihar after independence? Answer A. J. Ramdas Daulat Ram. Who was the first vice chancellor of Patna University? Answer C. J. G. Jennings. Who is also known as the Bihar Vibhuti? Answer C. Anugrah Narayan Sinha. Who is also known as the Bihar Kesari? Answer B. Krishna Singh. The Chhath festival is celebrated on the month of answer D. Kartika. For many days the Chhath festival is celebrated. Answer C. 4 days. Which of the following lake is situated in Bihar? Answer A. Anupam Lake. Which of the following town is located in easternmost part of Bihar? Answer C. Katihar. How much square meters forest area is there in Bihar? Answer D. 2612 square meters. What is the approximate percent of geographical area covered under forest in Bihar? Answer B. 7%.